Descartes worried that the whole damn thing might be a dream state. He's not sure. He frets. And Berkeley, of course, declares the whole notion of an independently subsisting material world, a mind-independent material world, as simply impossible. How many of you agree with Berkeley on that? I knew it. Not one. All right, let's do it then, just for a couple of minutes. So you think that there is a mind-independent physical reality. Physical reality. A material reality. You know, something that makes a sound when you hit it, has an odor, is visible, is yellow, is square. You think that if you were to strip what you regard as physical reality of all, in principle, sensible properties, there'd be something left over. Well, what might that be? That is something to which there is no attending sense or mind, something beheld by no consciousness anywhere. And nonetheless, you're prepared with a kind of epistemic fundamentalism to say, notwithstanding to the contrary, that no mind in the imaginable cosmos apprehends any aspect of this entity, I declare without more, nonetheless it exists. Oh, stop it. You should be ashamed of yourself.